Okay, boys and girls, looks like they got quite a bit of 22 MR. The prices are suck. Mid CCI, Winchester, Tactical, CCI, got some Red Rattlers, 555, 333, and we got an old bucket, old bullets. And a pretty bad price of $89.99, but I got a $10 off coupon. How you doing? Oh, just trying to figure out what to buy. I see you guys just opened up today, so.
Yes, sir.
All right. Just give me a second. Yeah. Got a shit pot full of stuff. Remington, Load, Super Target, a bunch of stuff. That's what's on the other side. Okay. Forty Smith. Hey, sir, how you doing?
Good. Good to see you.
Pretty good, pretty good. Good, good.
You guys playing any golf?
She has been. I go into semi-retirement Friday, then I'm going fishing up to Canada.
You know, I'm on semi-retirement now, and I'm working harder than I ever did.
Yeah, I know. I got to stay away from that. Okay. I heard that's a bad thing. Okay.
I spent about 3 months off in the winter.
Yeah.
And I got so bored, and even, you know, after a while, even the dog's looking at me. Don't you have some place you need to be? You know, so.
All righty, Mike. Take care. Give me that bucket of bullets over there.
All right.